Good afternoon, welcome back to Expat Crib. My name is Ian and today we have a super special apartment to show you. Completely renovated, it's a 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom apartment in the Tesoro neighborhood of Poblado in Medellin. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So as you can see, they've done a masterful job of this kitchen. I love this kitchen with its wood finishings, and they put in 2 ovens, as you can see, a gas range, a beautiful sink. The only thing missing from this place is the fridge, which you can see there, the space for the fridge. Okay, so let's take another look at this kitchen from a different angle. Again, beautiful job they've done of this apartment. Okay, right here at the entrance you have the social bathroom, and I love how they've used marble, and they've literally made these sinks, the base and the sink, out of marble. Here we have the living room, and as you can see here, they've done an amazing job. Really good detail in this apartment. They've done some wainscoting here, as you can see on the wall. Got a really classic look. This beautiful apartment features aircon, which you kind of need in the city right now. We'll come through to the principal bedroom first. All right. And as you can see, complete with air conditioning. They've actually used one of the, I believe it's 3 balconies to house the air conditioning unit. So as you can see here, really nice size master principal bedroom, and complete again with the marble sinks, as you can see, and a walk-in rain shower. They've actually housed it right into the ceiling. Again, excellent attention to detail on all the finishings of this place. And as you can see here, a his and hers walk-in closet with ample space. They've done an amazing job. Again, you can fit or house a lot of clothes in here, complete with bench. Again, this apartment is ready to go, turnkey. You just need to put a fridge in, and even the beds they put in. Take a look from the other end. Really nice track lighting too they put in here. Super well illuminated this apartment is. All right, let's take one last look at this super bright master bedroom. Again, it goes out onto the main patio there, as you can see. And then this is the second bedroom. On that patio right there, or balcony, sorry, they house the air conditioning unit. So I love all the woodwork they've done here. Again, aircon, as you can see, in every room. And a really nice desk space there. And even here, plenty of closet space. And each room comes with its own. This one here is actually extended to the other room. So this one and the other room share a washroom. But as you can see, it's got 2 faucets here. So 2 people at a time could use it. Again, they spared no expense on the fixtures, on the toilets. They've done a really nice job. And here is the third bedroom, or it could be an office. This one has sliding doors for the closet. And again, as you can see, this one also has aircon. As I said in the intro, the beauty of this apartment is its proximity to Mall Tesoro. Amsterdam Plaza is actually just up the street on the corner, I believe, but I'll put everything in the end screen, the price, the square meters, everything in the end screen. It has 2 parking spots. But again, they've done a superb job at renovating this space. Let's take a walk out onto the balcony here. And the balcony has ample space also. The great thing about this balcony is it actually extends over to the master bedroom. Take a look from the other side here. And it looks like, to me, the yellow hose over there is a gas line, so you could use this area here as a barbecue or outside kitchen space. So yeah, they have the gas fittings right there. Amazing views just down the road there. About a 3 to 4 minute drive is Parque Geras, Provenza, and then on to Avenida Poblado. Take one last look at this large balcony. And we will do one more look at this space. Oh, one little secret that I didn't reveal. And let's take a look at this well-appointed oven system here. One secret. There's more space. Another secret room. Back here you have the service quarters. So if you're the type of person who wants hired help, this would be the room that they would use in the back here. Complete with their own sink and shower. This space could also be used for a pantry. And many expats come here who are used to doing their own cleaning and cooking and everything. And a lot of them tend to use these spaces as a pantry. So as you can see, ample space here. This is the space for your washer and dryer, right there. Take one last look. So I just want to reiterate, up the road there is Mall Amsterdam Plaza, and bonus here, you have a beautiful kidney-shaped swimming pool with a little party area right there, and about a 2 to 3 minute drive just over that way is Mall Tesoro. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom apartment. Again, completely renovated. They've done an amazing job, and again, they've spared no expense, and their attention to detail is impeccable in this apartment. I'll put everything at the end screen. If you have any questions, you can contact us at expatcrib.com/contact about this apartment, really close to Mall Tesoro. This is Ian from Expat Crib, and we will see you in the next video.